timer begin. So you press Effect, Distort, CC Griddler, and you have an effect right here that shows a grid of tiles along your shot. So normally our shot is just this woman walking on a floor with the camera panning up and down with her footsteps. It's also in a little bit of slow motion. But when I add the effect, you'll see a grid right here. And that grid has rotation, so you can rotate how the grid actually looks. You can also change the scale of the tiles and the tile size. So let's say we're right here, and we have all of these sliders set to the amount that we have currently. And then in 10 seconds, we want to get rid of the rotation, we want to get rid of the scale, we want to get rid of the horizontal scale, we want to make the tile size 10. Now when you watch it, this shot goes from just being a woman walking down a hallway to a really immersive and impactful shot of a woman coming into frame. And that is really what CC Griddler is good for, because it really brings people into frame while having a very distorted look prior. It's almost ominous in a way. And like always, press Effect, Distort, and CC Griddler, and try this for yourself.